Hi, so this is my demonstration video. I'm building a security key camera intrusion detection where it have three sensor, PIO sensor for movement detection, microphone sensor for noise sensor attached to Arduino, and the camera sensor that attached to the edge device computer, which I use my MacBook as an edge device itself. And I have two actuator, passive buzzer, and the red LED as an alarm system. And for the camera sensor, it has some smart feature where it can detect and recognize people faces by using a model training in the Python programming. So here I'm going to tell you how like it trains. So first we capture some image first. All right, I capture 1, 2. All right, done. All right, now let's move on to the training model. So I'm going to ask it to train by using model training.py. It's going to process all those images and recognize it as my face. All right, done. Now let's move on to how it works. Python.py solution. All right. So here, the camera sensor and the sensor that received from Arduino to the edge device through the serial port will work together with the camera sensor on the edge device. So when it's recognize my face, even if I do like motion it, okay, now it doesn't recognize my face, but so the edge device will send 3 commands to actuator to activate it. So one is slow, is when there's like a movement detection of like a noise that it like got. It will like tell the red alarm to like alert slowly, and also like the buzzer to alert. And also when there's like movement detection or maybe like a noise detection, but it can recognize my face as Harry, it will stop all those. Even there's a movement or noise, it won't work. It will stop those red alarm and the buzzer. And the final one is when there's like an unrecognized people. When there's an unrecognized people, the HDY will send a command like loud to the actuator, to the Arduino, to set this actuator for the red alarm to be like blinking tremendously and the buzzer to be very loud. So let me demonstrate it how it works. All right, so there's no faces, but I'm gonna do the movement. Yep, the alarm will loud. Even if I speak so loud, it's also go loud. Like hi, see, it was so loud. And but when it can recognize my face, yep, right now it can recognize my face, and I try to do the PIO like the sensor, it won't work because it will recognize my face and it will send command stop to the Arduino. Even if I speak so loud, also it won't like it won't, because of my face recognition. It can recognize my face as like an owner or something like that, you know. But when there's like undetected people, like unknown people, see what happened. Yep, it will like send the Arduino as loud and record it like tremendously, like for the LED to blink it very, very loud. And it also recorded those images during the process of unknown people. And I will show you that in the video album. And yep, there you go. It recorded people's face for like 2 seconds. And yeah, let's move on to, that's how it works. Let's move on to dashboard. So we also like run the website dashboard using Python as well. Let me just run it. Yep, running is done. Yep, so in the website, we can like set up the threshold of the microphone because of movement, like the right click. We can like set the threshold to 1 to make it the mic very sensitive. Like let's say I'm gonna like enable the PIO sensor. We can also do that. Hi, can you hear? Hi. Sorry. So here's what, when it's like the set very loud, the alarm just like goes off. I set to 1, like see. But when like even if I unable to do, like there's a noise sensor that should be like loud. And also I can do it like manually as well. Let me just set it back to 100 so that it won't be that sensitive. Like is I click manual loud, the alarm will like loud tremendously. When I click slow, we will like no more. But when I stop, it won't do anything. So that's how it works. And the database also updated by itself like every 1 second, it update 2 data on the dashboard. So yes, so that is how it works on the IoT Root dashboard. And yep, I feel like that, oh, let me show you my database. So here I'm using the Mirror database, and those information that from Arduino and also from the camera sensor will log into like this database, and it will show like the current information. So that basically it. So yeah, the PR sensor is so sensitive, but yeah, that's basically my entire IoT device and how it works for our like future camera. Thank you.